inspection process here. And this is very short. Obviously, I'm not an inspector, and I can't even put pool sticks up on a wall straight. And my wife still complains about it to today. Anyway, the inspection process. If you're going to hire an inspector, it should not be just a handyman that you're friends with. You really should get someone who's licensed and insured. You're going to do the inspection. Now, unfortunately, and this happens to people, and this is one of the things I wanted to let everyone know, again, you're not in contract until you sign contracts and you get them back from the seller signed. So could you pay for an inspection and ultimately someone outbids you and gets the contract and you're out money? Yes, and legally the seller's not required to give you that money. So I just wanted to let you know that, because that does come up a lot. Most homes are marketed as is. Do I do a fair amount of repair riders or lowering of purchase price or seller's concessions based on the fact that there are repairs that are bargained for? Yes, but all homes are technically as is. Now, when you ask for a repair request, you are making a counter offer in this sense, and your deal may die as a result of it. So just keep that in mind, that you're gonna want to ask for any repairs that you can't live with, or that you absolutely do not want to deal with. Otherwise, take the inspection report as an FYI and go forward, and you'll soon be a homeowner. If you are going to ask for repairs, sometimes they won't do the repair and they'll give you a credit. Now, lenders don't allow for repair credits, but they do allow for sales concessions, and we can explain that on another video. But in short, the X amount of your closing costs will be paid out of the purchase price, and you can use that money you had in your account for the closing costs to pay for the repairs. Your realtor and your attorney really can't tell you what repairs should be or should not be fixed or addressed, only because it's really you that's making that decision. Some people are handier than others. Some people have more money than others to make repairs. And some people have more just experience in the market. So just decide really on your need, your finances, and what you can and cannot live with. Any other questions, just please reach out to me. Thank you. Hope you're enjoying the videos that you've watched today. They're not meant to be a substitution for speaking with your legal professional, but just an educational tool. Thank you.